In this video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your audio recording. I'm going to teach you how to use the selection tool, the zoom in, zoom out tool, as well as how to delete specific sections of your audio script. Let's begin. First, you select your selection tool. Go down to this area that you want to erase. You can play it.
Hi, my name is...
Perhaps you want it to be more specific. If you go right over the edge, the pointer finger comes up and then you can drag as needed for precision. You can also zoom in once or twice and then do the same for more precision of what you want to edit or crop out. Play.
Hi, my name is Stan.
To make sure that is what you want to delete, and press delete on your keyboard. Or you can delete from, you can undelete in case you've made a mistake, or again go into edit and down to delete. Okay, final thing I want to show you is how to edit specific portions of your audio. So let's say I made a mistake in this segment right here. I can play it, the word so, and I want to crop it out. And that is it. That is the conclusion of our editing video.